If you're new to investing, you've probably heard people say, just buy index funds or ETFs are better, but what's the actual difference? And which one should beginners choose? In this video, I'll break it down in simple terms, no jargon. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks a market index. For example, the S&P 500 tracks 500 of the largest companies in the United States. Instead of buying one company, you're buying a small piece of all 500. It's like buying the entire basket instead of picking one fruit. Index funds are designed to match the market's performance, not beat it. Simple, passive, low cost. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An ETF can also track an index like the S&P 500. The key difference: ETFs trade like stocks. That means you can buy and sell them during the trading day. Prices change throughout the day. Think of ETFs as index funds that behave like stocks. Both index funds and ETFs offer diversification, usually have low fees, track a specific index, are beginner-friendly. For long-term investors, they often perform almost the same. Let's simplify this. How they trade. Index funds are bought directly from fund providers, priced once per day, after market closes. ETFs are bought and sold like stocks. Their price moves throughout the day. Minimum investment. Index funds sometimes require a minimum investment. ETFs. You can buy just one share. This makes ETFs more flexible for beginners. Automation. Index funds are often easier to automate for monthly investing. ETFs can be automated too, but it might take extra steps depending on your broker. Here's the honest answer. For most beginners, the difference doesn't matter that much. Both are excellent long-term investments. If you want simplicity, choose an index fund. If you want flexibility, choose an ETF. The bigger mistake? Doing nothing while trying to pick the perfect option. Avoid thinking ETFs are automatically better. Avoid overcomplicating your portfolio. Avoid constantly switching between funds. Consistency matters more than tiny differences. Index funds track an index. Price once daily. They're easy to automate. ETFs also track indexes and trade like stocks. They're flexible, both build long-term wealth. If this finally cleared up the confusion, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner investing guides, and comment below, are you team index fund or team ETF?